Namaste. This is Dr. B.V.K. Shastri from Yoga Sanskritam University. I cordially and personally invite you to the fourth and final lecture presentation, Facebook Live, on Sunday, 14th February 2021 between 10:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. The theme title is Yogi Scientist Dialogues, Chit Padartha, Conscious Matter Relations. This is the final lecture presenting the introduction and overview of Gita Yoga Science Roadmap on how to become a yogi scientist, a Gnana Vijnana Truptatma. The three earlier lectures have covered Yoga science tradition as the tradition of Vedic sciences, key to bridge and build dialogue, a handshake between yoga science and modern sciences for research progress, an overview of Bhumi, the first of 8 Chit Padarthas, keeping focus on Prakriti Padartha, the material factor in Chit Padartha. In this presentation, the Chit part of Chit Padartha, marked as Ahankara Prakriti, the Purusha part, is presented to make further exploration in conscious matter relations. Prakriti Gnana Vijnana is part of Yoga sciences. Purusha Gnana Vijnana is a part of Yoga Vedanta. Both put together are the Yoga Sanskritam heritage of Vedic sciences, comprehensively presented in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapters 7 to 17 in multiple perspectives, as two yogis making a dialogue and discourse on various Vedic yogas using language of yoga, Sanskritam, called as Vak Yoga. This Gita Yoga Science Roadmap, research, education and outreach is a part of Yoga Sanskritam education pedagogy to groom a yogi scientist, a Gnana Vijnana Truptatma. For more details, get in touch with National Institute of Vedic Sciences, the link given, and please join the groups. See you at the lecture hour. Thank you.